What's good, everybody? So look, this unboxing right here is the Travi Patties. It's the Travi Patties, the new one that just came out. And I ain't gonna lie, I already did the unboxing and my camera wasn't recorded right way, so we gotta do it over. But I'm actually super glad that it happened like that, bro, because there's actually something more that I want to talk about. So let's just get the shoe out the way first. Here it is, boom, but we gotta go back and talk about the box. But man, there's a lot more things that I really sat down and thought about. So y'all gonna wanna hear it, especially if you're thinking about copping these. So make sure you stay for the whole video. So here we have the shoe right here. I ain't gonna lie, I was not expecting to win them whatsoever. Cause really they wasn't on my radar, bro. I ain't gonna lie, these were not on my radar. I'm kind of tired of Air Jordan 1s, I ain't gonna lie. During that 2016 era when they first got hyped, I was into them, bro. I had every popular high. I had a couple of the lows. I wasn't a big fan of the lows to begin with. Now, I ain't gonna lie, the OG cut one lows, similar to this, I like that. And I think they're slowly creeping up into popularity. So if you see that as a trend, don't be surprised, but it has to be that OG cut. It looks a little lower than the regular ones. And these just were not on my radar. I won them on sneakers. I entered in the raffle for Travis. I didn't win. I entered them on sneakers. You're gonna lose, but you just gotta enter just so you can see it. It was one of those type of entries. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. And I seen 162 come on my card. I was like, yo, I bought them. So here we have it. Here's the box. I like the box. Real calm and simple. Travis got to go with his white and brown colorways. He love it. They're spamming it to death, but hey, it's still a hitter. And that's what we got to talk about in today's video, bro, because he's doing the same thing and it's still a hitter, bro. So it's a couple of reasons why, though. So here's the sizing. These are size 13. I already have the OG pair of the Mocha lows, or the Travis lows. I haven't wore them in a minute because they actually have mold on them, bro. My whole huge collection of shoes got flooded and had mold on them. I made a video about that if you want to go check it out. But anyways, on the size label it says Air Jordan 1 Low OGP, just special packaging. Color code is DM7866-200. If you want to find that on the aftermarket, because you're not going to find these for retail anywhere, you can type that into your search engine. The colorway is medium olive / black / sail / muslin. So let's go ahead and look at the rest of the details. Obviously, we have the pink paper with all of Travis logos. You got his little cartoon face. You got the Nike Air. You got Cactus Jack, and you got the Air Jordan logo. You got 2 sets of those. Again, like I said, I already opened these up because I just recorded wrong. They do come with extra sets of laces. So they come with pink and they come with black. And the ones that they already come with white. So I know you've probably been seeing them with red laces. They more than likely they just got it from either they bought them or they came from other Travis shoes. But they do not come with a pair of red laces. So if you get those some Wookiees. But they come with pink, black, and white. Me personally, I think this is with this olive because the suede on this olive is super nice, bro. So I think this gives you like real calm and low-key flex type of vibe. So I think you'd be good with white. If they added a cream, maybe, I think that would have been good as well. Maybe a brown, I don't know. I think that would have been better off than the pink and black. Obviously, I know he loved the pink, adding the pink into it. But for this one, I just don't see those two matching this vibe, bro. Because you have and that's the thing that I like about Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows, right? If you ever pay attention to Kevin Durant, he spams, bro. He spams the Travis Scott ones, whether it's the fragments or I think he really just spams the fragments and the OGs, and I think maybe the black sometimes. But for sure the OG and the fragments, bro, that's all I see him wear. But it's like a flex though, and it's like you can wear them up and you can wear them down. So that's what I like about that, especially with my original mochas. And you can wear them in sweats and still flex, bro. And it fits that vibe. So I really do like that, and that's another reason why I think that the OG cut 1 lows could come back in style potentially. I ain't gonna lie to you. But look at this suede. The ashy suede on this is fire. Now me personally, I didn't like how ashy my suede was on the original Mocha lows because I feel like it got dirty really quick. But obviously you're gonna have to take good care of these because this is very good premium suede, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So I like the green, I like the white. This is very similar to the women's one that came out, and those skyrocketed. Those were probably one of the cheapest I think that was the cheapest one that came out outside of maybe that yellow and blue pair. But that was like the cheapest one, and now they rose. And that's what I wanted to, that's what I left out about these, right? Like I said, these aren't on my radar. I love them. They have great details. They do everything that a normal Travis Scott does, right? But it's like we've had the same shoe, we've had the same, literally the same model over and over and over again. So I could see, me personally, I'm tired of it. Now, this is my size, but I'm not in no rush to wear them. And if I get hit with the right offer, I'm cool with selling them. I wouldn't lose no sleep. I'm really cool with the one pair that I already have, bro, to keep it a buck with you. But the thing is, these are still selling out instantly, right? We're in an era where shoes, even other collabs, and I'm gonna make a separate video comparing these to the Mamaneers because I feel like these are two heavy hitter collabs. One sat and one didn't, and one has, resale double, triple its value, and I think it's gonna go higher because these still have a crazy demand to them, bro. It's insane. And honestly, to keep it a buck, it's because it's limited. And this is just like a perfect example of showing people, you guys want to talk about have everybody get their pairs, but bro, you see that there's a demand for things when everybody can't get it. That's why Travis Scott can literally copy and paste and just invert the colors or just, switch the colorways around, and people still like fiend for them. Like they still like, that we just got these. Like we've been having these for like 4 or 5 years now. Come on, bro. Like I said, it's a calm shoe. Love the backward swoosh. Love the details. You got the Cactus Jack going through the swoosh. Me personally, favorite thing about these, I love the red accenting on them. I think I would prefer red laces too, but like I said, I think we've already done the explosive red with the other Cactus Jack shoes, and I think this one you kind of leave to just like more calm setting, right? I think this is just like calm, and it's just like just a calm flex at the bottom. You dig what I'm saying? Even on the insole, we got the Cactus Jacks right there. So those pretty dope. And then we got Travis Scott, his name in there. So details are on point. Quality is on point. It looks super good. It's very subtle. I love it. And I'm getting older. I'm unk now. I will choose these over the bright, fancy colors any day of the week. And I can just wear these with everything, any type of style, bro. Like I said, these are very easy to dress down. So I can see why people still want this, but at the same time, if we drop the same exact Air Jordan 1 low without the reverse swoosh, are people still buying it? I don't think so. So again, that's where I fall into the hype, and I'm gonna admit it. It's a Travis Scott. I'm only getting it for the calm flex. If this was a regular Air Jordan 1, I could care less about it. I wouldn't even bat an eye. You couldn't even put this on sale and I would buy it. I'm gonna keep it a buck. But the same way I have that mindset, people have that mindset, but they go further and they pay resale for it. If I didn't get these for retail, I promise you I wouldn't care. I wouldn't pay resale for these. These don't do enough for me, right? But since I was blessed to get them for retail, I can make that decision if I want to keep them or wait till the value go up, which I think they do because the demand on these is way more than I expected. And from the day that I recorded this, which was like 2 days ago, that demand has increased, bro. And I could see these going to like 800, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's crazy to say right now. We haven't had a shoe do that in a long time, but I think these can go to 800, bro. Christmas coming around the corner. Yeah, depending on 2025. Well, actually, nah, because 2025, we got a whole set of stuff to worry about. But just wait give it to either Christmas or like February, March-ish time. Just check back in and see what the prices are on these, bro. So if you plan on trying to get these, I'll get them right now. People are still freshly getting them in hand, right? And they're lowering the price. But like I said, bro, that demand is gonna go crazy. So once that market dries up, these are gonna skyrocket, bro. Because at the end of the day, it's the Travis Scott, bro. You can't ignore that. Even the Travis Scott shoes that aren't really good, they still do crazy. I don't know what influence, what effect that he has, because you can't even say it's just because he's just that good of an artist. We had Kanye and his Yeezys just went boop, 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 down, down, down. But we still have Travis, and Kanye is easily better than Travis. And if you want to debate about the comments, we can. But yes, shout out to Travis. And Nike is saying if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'm going to keep on releasing them. So here we got it. I'm going to try these on because I'm curious to see. I don't even think I got to the point where, because I went on when I get to check the camera, I saw that wasn't recording, so I didn't even bother putting these on. But I'm going to keep them. I'm going to keep them laced like this because honestly, I already know they run true to size. I already have a pair of 13s and it's the same same shape, same cut. So it's gonna be the exact same, but I'm gonna just try it on so you guys can see it and tell y'all how it feels. So see y'all next POV. And while I try these on, bro, you guys can let me know in the comment section below, bro. Like, do you think this is just like recycled to the max, bro? Like, are we like, are you tired of it? Like, let's keep it a buck. And there's another thing, right, with that. Like, people just say, I'm not tired of it because I've never copped Travis lows before, or I've never got a Travis product. And so that also kind of pours into my theory, like, are you still trying because you were never able to get it? Like, you know what I'm saying? Or do you like really like the shoe, or is it because you want a Travis shoe? You want to be able to fit in. So like I said, bro, these are super calm. You can wear these with anything. You can wear these with sweats. You can wear these with just like athletic shorts. Like, I like, now that I'm like, I wouldn't even say that I'm getting older, bro. I'm just getting lazier and I'm spending less money on clothes, bro. And so it's like, if I have a shoe that can do all the like monetary value talking for me, then I am cool with it, bro. I'm super cool with it. Cause that's the main thing about me, right? When I look at somebody, like, obviously I've been doing shoes, so I judge them based off their shoes. So somebody else that does that to me, and it works better with people who aren't really sneakerhead, because if I see somebody with Travis, I'm like, they hype beast. Unless they wearing it right. You feel what I'm saying? Because I don't know what else they got in the closet. So depending on their demeanor and their personality, I'm automatically call them a hype beast. But someone that's not like really tapped in for real, they see the Travis Scott's like, oh dang, he got those? Oh, okay. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, like, I want some calm stuff, like, oh dang, like, okay, he must be plugged in, or and he spent a little on those. So that's why I like those, and it matches with everything. So I don't have, like, again, my fit doesn't have to do anything crazy. I can literally white tee, cream shorts, boom, simple. You know what I'm saying? A plain tee, about $10 fit. And the Travis do all the talking with the little smiling face on the back. You know what I'm saying? So let me know if you how you feeling about him, bro. Have you even copped a Travis before, bro? Let me know if you copped a Travis before. But honestly, I'm cool with it. Not really. I would definitely love him to expand to different models, different silhouettes. But I can only imagine that he doesn't even have that much control in it anymore. Because I feel like he would have done something else. But again, he just did get his signature shoe. So I don't know how long they plan on just releasing these like collabs in a sense. But I would have loved for him to venture into other models. Like, I wish we would have got more Jordan 4s. I would have loved the Jordan 3. Or just something, or maybe like another Nike model that might have been crazy. I really like the SB Dunks. I didn't like those 270s. And he had put something else out that was trash, but he got the, like, bro, his product gonna sell. So there's no point to experiment. Y'all keep on putting out these same colorways with the ones. And like I said, I got my one pair, so I'm cool off of them. This is just a complex if I decide to keep them or not. But honestly, like, I don't mind keeping them, so I'm gonna just sit on them and see what the value gonna hit for. So let me know if y'all think that's a good idea. But with that being said, man, these are decent, 6.5, 7 out of 10, bro. They ain't gonna do too much on them. They're comfortable. I love the OG Cut 1 lows. Like I said, bro, they're gonna come into fashion real soon. So be on the up and come up. So peace.